All right, welcome to Mr. Black Unboxed, where we unbox things amongst other stuff. But for the most part, we unbox products here where you can get the full experience. And yeah, if you don't like the commentary, just hit that mute button. But if you like unboxing stuff and some live streams where we cover that, hit that subscribe button. So this is the Sylvox Smart TV that's 15.6 inches, but it's waterproof. It floats on the water and has a 360-degree rotatable stand and 4 to 6 hours of battery life. So it's got built-in battery. All right, so it looks like we'll open it from the top here. Basically, that's everything in the box. So we are done with the box for now. You have a remote and everything. Let's keep unboxing. So here is the unit itself. Just take this out. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, this thing's awesome. So yeah, look at this thing. It's just strong build. You can see how it is weatherproof. You have, what is this, DBV? Oh, it's a little coaxial, so you can go to like an antenna. You have USB for flash drives, another coaxial. Actually, this is a little bit more coaxial than the other one. And your power to charge it up. It's got speakers on it, and yeah, it's got a D energy rating. This is the device itself. Again, love the little stand. Like, you can stand it up or carry it around. But for the most part, let's just stand it up back here. So this is the remote control that comes with it. I love that they're adding YouTube to the controls nowadays. Like, it's a waterproof controller too, so you can actually unscrew it and put the batteries in there. Really nice controller too. Feels great on your fingers. You got the microphone there. It comes with a little screwdriver to do that. Then you have all your information here. Nice user manual with a bunch of different languages here, but yeah, it easily goes through how to set it up. You have your plug. This one has some international plugs to it as well that you can use. That's basically the unboxing experience. So let's go ahead and plug this thing in, and you can see the indicator light here. It shows that it's going on, so let's power it up. There we go. You can see I'm not sure how it works as far as when it's being plugged in at the same time, but we'll charge it up nevertheless. I think you have to sync up the remote to it as well. So yeah, Google TV, so it's a smart TV. It's cool because you can see me talking to you through the reflection. So we'll hold these things together for 3 seconds. And then you just set this thing up just like you would any other smart TV. I'll put a link down below if you want to see the video of how I tested out, throwing it in the pool and all of that stuff, and talk about who this might be for as well. So Sylvox has some great stuff. I really like them a lot. I love the brand, and they have quality stuff. So just wanted to share the unboxing experience. Thanks so much for watching.